And back everybody to another video. On this one, I'm going to be showing you what happens. Now first, chicken the breaker, somewhere over there. Yeah, see finish, which is a provide. Second thing you want to do, just round to here and then go chicken here if any of the other things are blown, like, you know, fuses. Okay, anyway. Hope my phone doesn't turn off this time. I'll put the on switch up this time. But anyway. Okay, this is the garage door, right? Like, I'm trying to do it like this so you guys can actually see me. But, oh, people, scared me. Yeah, you see this? See that latch? So, see this? That long thing that connects to the garage door. What you need to do, in this case, I'm going to be showing it, obviously. I'm going to put you guys back. It's much easier this way. Anyway, like how you actually built this though. I'm playing with that stupid. Anyway. I'm hoping that you guys can see me alright. Normal people would, you know, hold this and go. Pros have an extra thing. You can see me. I'm actually going to get this down and you're going to get outwards. Now, that's it. Let's shut this door. I just closed the door up. I should look at this. That's a rule. This done, but the rule's not. But that side is just fine. But as you should, you're like, where's the clock? I didn't even think. I think you've had it in the morning though. It's not clicking. Because you turn on unlock mode. Now if you turn off, obviously, want to know that. You do this, you gotta get down. But first it's going to be like, what do you mean click? Well, I didn't work like that. Lift it clicks. Fine. Here, let's see. You can actually go outside and do that. Did you see that? There you go. So that's about it. Oh, I read. Okay, now. Anyway. Nothing else besides, look. I'll just hold it down and then yank it outwards. See that cord? Yank it outwards. And then it's on this mode. You just lift it up without holding the thing. So, that's basically it. See? I'm going to just turn it off. But to turn it off, you know, grab it. You yank it downwards. You hear that click? But now you just yank it up and then down again. You hear the click. So click by then. You're done. Well done. So now again, Shore Pro. So you can tell other people that how in the video here, don't forget to smash that like button, smash that subscribe button, don't forget to comment down below how you thought this video was. Anyway, that might be a treat about to die. But anyway, I'll see you guys next time. This is actually quite a different video than normal. Julia's probably like, what about the Minecraft, the Fortnite, the Racing Bros, I don't think I have any other games that I actually showed on YouTube. Besides that other really dash thing. I can't remember what that was called, but yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Let me see the time. It's exactly 5 o'clock. Perfect timing. Now, guys, I'll actually get to what I was trying to do that hold. Now look, this is actually my phone though, because the screen's all cracked and stuff. This is just a screen protector. not really screen protected, but you know how plastic comes on the phone? That protected this phone so much, but there's so much scratch. You can't see it because I don't like, yeah, well, you get what I mean, but I'll see you guys next time. Anyway, well, bye.